Today I will explain solution for homogeneous partial differential equation. If the differential equation is homogeneous, we can find solution by solving auxiliary equation. Solution depends on roots. For example, auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 is equal to 0, m square is equal to minus 1, plus 1 becomes minus 1, m is equal to plus or minus root of minus 1, e is equal to plus or minus I, and solution yc is equal to e power 0x into c1 cos 1x plus c2 sin 1x. If auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 e is equal to 0, m square is equal to 1, m is equal to plus or minus 1, root of 1, m is equal to plus or minus 1, and here roots are real and different. Solution is yc is equal to c1 into e power 1x plus c2 into e power minus x. We have already studied this in second module, differential equation. Here we have to find solution for homogeneous PDE. Here del square z divided by del x square, dependent variable is z, independent variable is x. So we have to write solution z in terms of x. This is very important note. Similarly, here derivative is second order derivative is del square z divided by del y square. Here we have to write solution z in terms of y. Homogeneous PDE means we have to write auxiliary equation and find solution. So these are type 4 problems, and type 3 problems are solution for non-homogeneous PDE. See the first problem. This is question paper problem. Solve del square z divided by del x square plus z is equal to 0. Given that when x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y, and del z by del x is equal to 1. Here they have given three conditions. It means take x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y, and another condition is x is equal to 0 and del z by del x is equal to 1. This is homogeneous partial differential equation, involves with single independent variable. So write this in terms of d. Here they have given del. So first step is write in terms of d. D square z by dx square plus z is equal to 0. This is homogeneous equation, differential equation. We can write auxiliary equation. M square plus 1 is equal to 0. M square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to plus or minus 1 into I. We know that root of minus 1 is equal to plus or minus I. Solution is z is equal to e power 0x into c1 cos 1x plus c2 sin 1x. We know that e power 0x is equal to 1. Now we have to replace the constants, two constants c1 and c2 by function of y. Remember, in this problem, independent variable is x. We have to replace c1 and c2 by function of y. If problem involves with independent variable y, we have to replace c1 and c2 by function of x. For example, f of x and g of x. So here solution is z is equal to f of y into cos x plus g of y into sin x. Call it as equation 1. This is the required solution, but here we have to find two constants functions f of y and g of y by using initial conditions. They have given initial condition x is equal to 0 and z is equal to e power y. Another condition is del z by del x is equal to 1. So here they have given initial condition del z by del x. So first find del z by del x before applying conditions. Partial differentiation of z with respect to x is f of y is constant, take outside. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. plus g of y, write as it is, sin x differentiation is cos x. This is equation 1 and del z by del x is equation 2. First two initial conditions, x is equal to 0, z is equal to e power y. Put these two conditions in equation 1, we get in place of z put e power y, in place of x put 0. E power y is equal to f of y into cos 0 plus g of y into sin 0. We know that sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 value 1. So f of y is equal to e power y. We obtain one value, one constant function value f of y, that is nothing but e power y. Take another condition, x is equal to 0 and del z by del x is equal to 1 in equation 2. In place of del z by del x, put 1. In place of x, 0. We get what? Sin 0, 0, cos 0 value 1. So 0 into f of y, 0. Remaining term is g of y into 1 is g of y. That is equal to 1. Substitute f of y and g of y in equation 1. We get z is equal to e power y into cos x plus 1. G of y is 1. 1 into sin x is sin x. This is required solution. See the second problem. Solve del square z divided by del y square is equal to z, given that when y is equal to 0, z is equal to e power x and del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. Here also they have given three conditions. So first put y0 and z is equal to e power x. Next put y is equal to 0 and del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. One thing we observe here. So here equation problem involves with z and y. Z dependent variable, y is independent variable. We have to write solution z in terms of y. In first problem, in previous problem, z in terms of x, del square z divided by del x square in previous problem. So we have to write solution z in terms of x in first problem, but here z in terms of y. First write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square minus 1 is equal to 0. If we solve this equation, we obtain two roots plus or minus 1. Next write solution z in terms of y. As I told you, here independent variable is y. So write solution z in terms of y. C1 into e power y plus C2 into e power minus y. Replace constants by C1 and C2 by function of x. Remember, independent variable is y here. So we have to replace constants by f of x and g of x. Call it as equation 1. Here we have to find del z by del y because they have given this in conditions. Del z by del y, partial differentiation of z with respect to y means f of x is constant rate as it is. E power y differentiation is e power y plus g of x rate as it is. E power minus y differentiation is minus e power minus y. Call it as equation 2. Put y is equal to 0 and z is equal to e power x in equation 1. In place of z, put e power x. In place of y, 0. We get what? E power 0 is 1. Here also e power 0 is 1. So 1 into f of x plus 1 into g of x is equal to e power x. Call it as equation 3. Next set of initial conditions are x is equal to 0 and del z by del y is equal to e power minus x. Equation 2 becomes e power minus x is equal to f of x into e power 0 plus g of x into e power 0 value 1. So plus into minus g of x plus f of x is equal to e power minus x. Call it as equation 4. So solve 3 and 4. We get, add 3 and 4, we get 2f of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x. F of x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x divided by 2. We know that cos hyperbolic x is equal to e power x plus e power minus x by 2, and sin hyperbolic x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2. So in place of this term, we can write cos hyperbolic x. Put f of x value in equation 3 or 4, we get g of x is equal to e power x minus e power minus x divided by 2, nothing but sin hyperbolic x. Substitute f of x value and g of x value in equation 1. That is required solution for partial differential equation. This is second problem. See the third problem. This is also question paper problem. Similar problem here. A partial differential equation is same, but conditions are different here. First write auxiliary equation m square minus 1 is equal to 0. If we solve this equation, we obtain two roots plus or minus 1. So solution z in terms of y, because dependent variable is z, independent variable is y here. C1 into e power y plus C2 into e power minus y. Same step similar to that of previous problem, but conditions are changed here. Find del z by del y. This is z. Call it as equation 1, and this is equation 2. We have to find f of x and g of x by using initial conditions. They have given conditions y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Put these two values in equation 1. We get 0 is equal to f of x into e power 0 plus g of x into e power 0. E power 0 is 1. We get f of x plus g of x is equal to 0. Call it as equation 3. Apply second set of conditions. Y is equal to 0. Del z by del y is equal to sin x. In place of del z by del y, sin x, put sin x. In place of y, put 0. We obtain f of x minus g of x is equal to sin x. Call it as equation 4. Solve 3 and 4. We get 2 f of x is equal to sin x, or f of x is equal to sin x by 2. Put f of x value in equation 3. Equation 3 is f of x plus g of x is equal to 0. G of x is equal to minus f of x. So this is equal to minus sin x by 2. Put f of x and g of x value in equation 1. So z is equal to sin x by 2 e power y minus sin x by 2 e power minus y is the required solution. See the fourth problem. Problem is del square z divided by del x square is equal to a square into z, given that x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0, del z by del x is equal to a sin y. Here dependent variable z, independent variable is x. We have to write solution z in terms of x. So first write auxiliary equation. M square minus a square is equal to 0. Solve this. We obtain two roots plus or minus a. So solution z is equal to c1 into e power ax plus c2 into e power minus ax. Replace c1 and c2 by function of y and g of y, f of y and g of y. Call it as equation 1. Del z by del x is equal to f of y into e power ax differentiation is e power ax into a plus g of y into e power minus ax differentiation is minus e power minus ax into a. Call it as equation 2. Plus into minus minus, simplify this, call it as equation 2. Put x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 in 1. We get f of y plus g of y is equal to 0. Next, x is equal to 0, del z by del x is equal to a sin y. We get a into f of y minus g of y is equal to a sin y. A gets cancelled here. Call it as equation 4 and this is 3. Solve 3 and 4 similar to that of previous problem. Plus g of y minus g of y gets cancelled. F of y plus f of y 2 f of y is equal to minus sin y. F of y is equal to minus sin y by 2. Sorry, this is plus sin y. Plus sin y by 2. And f of x plus g of x is equal to 0. F of y plus g of y is equal to 0. G of y is equal to minus f of y. So this becomes minus sin y divided by 2. This is plus sin y by 2 and this is minus sin y by 2. Substitute f of y and g of y value. This is required solution. See the fifth problem. Similar to that of previous problem, fourth problem, but here conditions are different. They have given x is equal to 0, del z by del y is equal to 0, and del z by del x is equal to a sin y. So here we have to find, observe here we have to find z with respect to y partially, z with respect to x partially, del z by del y and del z by del x. Same steps here. This is solution. Find del z by del x and del z by del y. Del z by del x is f of y constant, take outside. E power ax differentiation is a into e power ax plus g of y. E power minus ax differentiation is minus a into e power minus ax. Call it as equation 2. Find del z by del y. Here e power ax and e power minus ax are constants. F of y differentiation is f dash of y. G of y differentiation is g dash of y. Call it as equation 3. Apply conditions here. X is equal to 0. Del z by del x is equal to a sin y. Equation 2 becomes a sin y is equal to f of y a into e power 0 plus g of y a into minus e power 0. E power 0 value 1. In each term a common, take outside. A gets cancelled. So f of y minus g of y is equal to sin y. Call it as equation 4. Next, put x is equal to 0, del z by del y is equal to 0. In equation 3, we obtained f dash of y, observe here, f dash of y plus g dash of y is equal to 0. Equation 4 implies, or equation 4 involves with f of y, g of y, but here f dash of y, g dash of y. We have to eliminate differentiation derivatives here. By integrate this with respect to y, we get f of y plus g of y, g dash becomes g of y is equal to integration constant k. This is very important. Here we cannot solve f of y, g of y, but 4 involves with, equation 4 involves with f and g. Here f dash and g dash. By integrating this, we have to express this in terms of f and g. F dash becomes f of y and g of y, that is equal to k. K is integration constant. Call it as 5. Similar to that of previous problem, solve this. We obtained f of y is equal to sin y plus k by 2 and g of y is equal to k minus sin y divided by 2. Substitute f of y value here. Minus g of y becomes plus g of y and sin y plus sin y becomes minus sin y. Take to LCM, simplify this. Finally, we obtain g of y. Substitute f of y value and g of y value in equation 1. This is also a question paper problem. See the next problem. Del square u divided by del x square plus u is equal to 0, where u satisfies the conditions u of 0 comma y is equal to e power 1 by 2 and del u by del x of 0 comma y is equal to 1. Here this means u of 0 comma y means x is equal to 0 when u is equal to e power 1 by 2 and x is equal to 0, del u by del x is equal to 1. Write partial differential equation, write auxiliary equation, roots are plus or minus I. Solution is u in terms of x because dependent variable is u and independent variable is x. E power 0x into c1 cos x plus c2 sin x, e power 0 value 1. So u is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Replace c1 and c2 by f of y and g of y. So this is solution. Call it as equation 1. By using conditions, we can find f of y and g of y. First find del u by del x. F of y write as it is. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x plus g of y into cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Call it as equation 2. First condition is x is equal to 0, u is equal to e power 1 by 2. In place of x 0, in place of u put e power 1 by 2. Equation 1 implies cos 0 value 1, sin 0 0, 0 into g of y 0. So 1 into f of y is f of y is equal to e power 1 by 2. Here f of y value e power 1 by 2. Next apply conditions x is equal to 0 and del u by del x is equal to 1 in equation 2. We get g of y is equal to 1. Apply f of y value and g of y value in equation 1. We get u is equal to e power 1 by 2 into cos x plus sin x. This is required solution. See the last problem. This is also question paper problem. Here they have given quadratic equation del square z divided by del x square plus 3 into del z by del x minus 4z is equal to 0, subject to the conditions that z is equal to 1 and del z by del x is equal to y when x is equal to 0. First write the partial differential equation in terms of differential equation because in terms of d, because here equation, whole equation involves with single independent variable x. This is quadratic equation. Write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 3m minus 4 is equal to 0. Simplify this. We obtain two roots 1 and minus 4. These are real and different. Write solution z is equal to c1 into e power 1x plus c2 e power minus 4x. Replace c1 and c2 by function of y, f of y and g of y. So solution is z is equal to f of y into e power x plus g of y into e power minus 4x. Call it as equation 1. So find del z by del x. That is equal to f of y constant take outside e power x differentiation is e power x plus g of y into e power minus 4x differentiation is minus 4 into e power minus 4x. Call it as equation 2. Apply initial conditions for equation 1. X is equal to 0 and z is equal to 1. We get 1 is equal to f of y plus g of y because e power 0 value 1. F of y plus g of y is equal to 1. Call it as equation 3. Next condition is x is equal to 0, del z by del x is equal to y. In place of del z by del x is equal, put y, and in place of x put 0. Equation 2 becomes f of y minus 4 into g of y is equal to y. Call it as equation 4. Solve 3 and 4. We get 5 into g of y is equal to 1 minus y. Here f of y gets cancelled, plus f of y minus f of y plus 1 g of y plus 4 g of y becomes 5 g of y, 1 minus y. So g of y value 1 minus y divided by 5. Put g of y value in equation 3. We get f of y is equal to 4 plus y divided by 5. Substitute g of y value and f of y value in equation 1. We get the solution z is equal to 4 plus y divided by 5 into e power x plus 1 minus y divided by 5 into e power minus 4x. This is required solution.